Hey there, it's Jason from Advanced Auto. Just wanted to take a minute to record this video to say thank you to Dennis and his team at RankingMastery. My auto repair shop has been in business for 17 years, and we've put a lot of effort into building our SEO and our online presence. And at this point in time, we get over 90% of our new customers come from organic SEO. Within just a couple weeks, Dennis and his team built us a bunch of additional pages, and they're already ranking up with my main page, which has taken us years to get to the level that it's at now. And on multiple keyword searches, the new pages are already ranking. Some of them are even above my main page, and the other ones are just directly below it. So they did an awesome job. It's only taken a couple weeks for them to get to the level that has taken me years with my main page. So super happy with the progress and looking forward to the results that it's going to bring for my business over the next year and into the future. So again, thanks again, Dennis. You guys did a great job and really appreciate it. Look forward to working with you in the future. Thanks.